Yeah, and so I think that the diminishing returns concept that Leora was talking about, and your note of like 700 being the right amount for that particular cultivar, that's something that it's something that the grower may not know that the utility PA is working with. Like they may not know that sweet number yet, and they're throwing 1,000 because they throw 1,000 at everything. And it's not the utility that could suggest that they lower their PPFD. So how might they converse with someone without suggesting them how to grow? Because that's where this can sometimes go with controls. It's like, well, would you be receptive to me saying to you, what if you dimmed zone 1 down to 700 for cultivars that could use less light?
No, I don't think that would be a good utility conversation.
Yeah, exactly.
But there are, you know, there are folks like myself that will have that can have those that have those conversations and identify those opportunities. And mainly we're trying to educate growers all the time on this. I don't have a good answer for you on how to engage from a utility perspective.
Yeah.
But we're running these types of pilot studies, you know, utilities aside, we're running these types of studies all the time to help find the optimal plant recipe, you know, for these plants. So I think utilities could ask about that, could ask about how are you optimizing. They may not be able to suggest it, but they, you know, more savvy operators are already doing these things anyway. You may be able to tag on to work that's already being done as R&D in a facility already.